Hello, Mai. Good evening. Wow, you're so beautiful. Oh, can I see your face? Don't be shy. Can I see your face? Let me see. Oh, wow, you're beautiful, Mai. You don't have to put off your camera. Yeah, you are beautiful. Did you have a haircut?
Yes,
Yes, it looks nice on you, by the way. Yeah. So how are you today, Mai?
I am happy.
Of course you are happy. When did you get a haircut?
I first had in May.
Oh, last May. Yeah, I didn't notice it because you've been turning off your camera for 2 months. Yeah. So I don't know when was the last time that I've seen your face. I think that was like April or probably March. Yes. So how's the weather in your place there, Mai?
In my living room.
How's the weather?
It's a sunny.
It's sunny. All right. Okay, did you do anything special today?
Mm,
Yes or no?
yes.
Okay, so what did you do?
I shown my dream high school is Lê Thánh Tông prison.
What? What, Mai?
Where I can join in my school Lê Thánh Tông prison.
Oh, you mean you can draw something?
It's my dream.
Sorry, but I don't understand.
I can write.
What?
I can write in my
Oh, in the chat box. Wait a minute, let me check. Ah, in your dream. So what did you dream about?
I can join in school.
That you can draw in school?
Yes.
Ah, all right. So, Mai, do you know how to draw in real life? I mean, are you good at drawing? Are you good at drawing,
Yes.
Mai?
Yes. In my
Ah, all right. Yes, then if you're good at drawing, then you can actually join some drawing competition at school so that your dream will come true. You just have to put an action into it. Anyway, Sarah is here already, so let me talk to her. How are you tonight, Sarah?
I'm happy.
Yes, of course, you're always happy. Okay, like, do um how far is my house from your house, Sarah?
I don't know.
Okay, but you told me one time that my sometimes visit in your house, right? To learn English. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, what about what about these days, Mai? Do you still visit Sarah's house to learn English?
Mm, Thursday and Thursday and Tuesday.
Ah, Tuesday and Thursday, is that during the day?
It's afternoon.
Ah, in the afternoon. So that means you met Sarah this afternoon, right?
No, no.
Oh,
Now she not learn in my house. Out.
so she didn't go to your house today?
Yes, I don't go
What about
to.
last Tuesday? What about last Tuesday, Mai? Did you go to Sarah's house?
No, I go to the school. Learn math.
Ah,
Learn
so I
math.
really, oh, sorry for being nosy, Sarah. Okay, like, does your parents own a school, Sarah?
Yes,
Yes, because your mom is a teacher, right?
yes.
Oh, is it a school or it's like a center?
At home.
Ah, so students go to your home, to your house to learn, right? Okay, so Mai, how far is your house from Sarah's house? Because you are the one who keep on going to Sarah's house.
I go to Sarah's house last year.
Last year. Oh, what do you mean last year?
Last
Last
year.
year? Last year?
Last year. No,
Last month?
last year.
You mean 2024?
Yes.
Oh, but
Last
we are now in
year.
20. Oh, is that? Oh, Sarah, when was the last time that Mai went to your house? Hello, Sarah, when was the last time that Mai went to your house?
Last year.
So that was really last year. How about this year, Mai? Why are you not going to Sarah's house anymore?
No. No, no.
Oh,
No.
you're not going there anymore, so you're just learning online?
Yes.
Ah, are you two friends in real life?
Yes.
Okay. Do you hang out?
I
Who said
come
no?
with Sarah at now.
Do you go to the same school?
No.
All right. Okay, in which
No.
school do you go to, Sarah? Do you go to your mom's school?
No. My mom teaches at home.
All right. Yes. Sorry because I'm so confused. But anyway, we are now in Unit 20. So we haven't finished our lesson in Unit 20 entitled Sending and Calling because we are still in Part D. So in Part D, we are going to practice asking and answering questions. All right?
Yes.
Okay. So in here, Sarah, I want you to ask some questions first. So I want you to create questions out of these keywords. Then the answers are just here. Okay. All the keywords for the question and the answers are just here inside this table. Okay. So Sarah and I want you to ask and answer in a complete sentence. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is about Eva's new phone. Now you may start, Sarah, by asking the first question to Mai.
When did you get your new phone? I get new phone 2 weeks ago.
Wait a minute. Okay, Mai, are you by the way, we are talking about Eva. So instead of using the pronoun you, we can use she because we're talking about Eva and Mai is not Eva. All right. So here you can say, when did she get her new phone? So what's your answer, Mai?
He get new phone 2 weeks ago.
All right. So I want you to say, she got her
He
new
got
phone.
her new phone 2 weeks ago.
Yes. So that's only an example. Pay attention to the question. If Sarah uses past tense of the verb, then you have to answer in past tense form of the verb. All right, Mai?
Yes.
Okay, now question number 2, Sarah, you can ask now.
What is Eva's new phone color? Her new phone is silver.
That's right. Very good.
Um, is Eva phone big or small screen? Her new phone is big.
Very good.
Who did Eva does often call? Her often call with her best friends.
Nice.
Where does she always keep the phone in? He keep her new phone is in pocket. How many messages did she send each day? They are Giờ mẹ với Ben đi ăn đi, con ở nhà con học rồi mẹ mua về cho con.
Continue, Mai.
They are 27. How many tunes did she listen to each day? They are 50.
Yes, she listens to 15 tunes each day, like that. So thank you so much for asking and answering questions here. So you know what, Mai? I can actually see an improvement in you, in the way you pay attention to the grammar in answering questions. So great job on that one, Mai. And also, Sarah, I like it because you are thinking before you ask a question. That will actually um match to each keywords in here. Okay, so great job on that, Sarah and Mai. Okay, so now let's look at this. So this time, Mai will ask a question and Sarah will answer. So we are done with Eva's new phone. We will now proceed with Robert's new phone.
Robert. Where does Robert's new phone get?
Oh, wait a
He get
minute. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay, so this is, when did
did Robert
Robert get his
get
new
his
phone?
new phone?
Very good, Sarah. So like that. So how will you answer this one, Sarah?
He get it last year.
Last year. Okay, then pay attention. So the question is in past tense because of the word did. So what is the past tense of get? What is the past tense of get, Sarah and Ma?
Yeah.
Very good. That is got. So instead of
Go.
saying she get it last year, you can say he got it last year. Okay, why do we use got? So that it will complement to the question. If the question asks you in past tense, always answer in past tense too. Past form of the verb. Okay. So we say he got it last year. And take note, last year means that that sentence already happened. All right, Sarah and Mike?
Yes.
Okay, now continue with this Mai.
What color robots uniform?
Try again, Mai.
What color? What color? Dạ. This Đang new hỏi rồi mẹ. Con trả lời.
What color is new phone? Are you sure about that? So here, Mai. Oh, how about you, Sarah? Can you correct Mai's and question here? She said, "What color, Robert? New phone."
Okay, I say again.
Yes. What do you think is the correct
What
question?
color? What color is the robot new phone is?
Ah, you're making it complicated. So it's like this. Let's make it easy. So we can say, what color is
Robot
Robert's
new phone. New phone.
new phone? Like that. Don't make your life complicated. Let's make it easy. Okay. Now what about the answer here, Sarah? What color is Robert? Oh, my, I want you to read first.
What color is robot new phone? Is gold.
Very good. Now third question, my.
What does robot's new phone big? Không, nó là theo cái hình. Big or small swing? Ở tác hả?
Wait a minute. Oh, this one? What's your question?
What does robot's new phone is big or small swing? It's small.
Very good. So Sarah answered, wait a minute, my. Let me correct it immediately. Okay, so Sarah answered correctly. It's small because it's very easy. But with the question, my, who you can say, does it have a big or small screen? Okay. So what's the question, Mike?
Does robot's new phone is big or small?
Okay, so
That is
yes, that way. Well, it's okay, Sarah. You don't have to answer anymore because that's only a correction. So yes, very good on that one, Mai. But instead of mentioning Robert again and again, so look, the title is Robert's new phone. The first question is, when did Robert get his new phone? So we mentioned Robert already in number one. Then for the second question, you said, what is what is the color of Robert's new phone? So that's also mentioning Robert. So what pronoun can we substitute for the word Robert? Okay, we have here Robert. Robert, look at Robert. Is he a man or a woman?
a man.
Very good. So what pronoun can we use for Robert?
He.
He is very good. Okay, so I want you to ask a question here, Mai, using the pronoun his instead of Robert. All right?
Does his new phone is small or big?
Does his does his new
New
phone big?
is big or small?
Wait a minute. You can just say, okay. You can just say, is his phone screen big or small? Like that. Is his phone screen big or small? Okay, then Sarah will just answer, it is small. Yes,
It
it is
is
small. Like that. Okay, now what about here, mine?
who often he con
One
with
more time. Say that again. Who?
who often he con with.
What's your answer, Sarah?
Is granddaughter. Wait,
Okay, so
wait.
wait a minute. Sorry to interrupt you, Mai. Okay, so Sarah, what is your answer?
Is granddaughter.
His granddaughter. Very good. Okay, so here, Mai, you said, who often does, what's that? I forgot what your question is. But the right question for that is this one. Who does he often call? Then to answer in a complete sentence, Sarah, you can say, he often call his granddaughter. All right. Now, what about here, Mai? Okay, so you continue asking question here.
Where does he keep his new phone?
Very good.
In the kitchen.
How will you answer in a complete sentence, Sarah?
Mm, he keep the phone in the kitchen.
Very good. All right. Now, what about here, Mai?
How many messages sent each day?
Try again,
Mm,
Mai.
how many messages sent each day?
Okay. So here, I want you to say, how many messages does he
Messages.
send each day?
Messages.
Can you please read this one, Mai?
How many messages does he send every day?
Yes, Sarah, what's your answer?
Mm, mm, The message that he sent each day is one.
How will you
How
answer it in a complete sentence, Sarah?
he sent one message each day.
That's right. Okay, last one, Mai.
How many times does he listen to every day? He listens to 15 turns every day.
That's right. Very good. Okay, now this time, let's practice more. Sarah, oh, Sarah, this time. Sarah, I want you to ask my 5 questions about her tablet. If you can remember, Mai told us that she has a tablet, not a phone. So ask 5 questions that starts with the WH and H. So do you still remember what are the WH question? We have, what are the WH question? When we say WH question, these are the questions that starts with WH, just like what,
Who?
where, very good, who,
Which?
why,
Which?
when. Very good. Which? There you go. Then what about the H question? That is how.
How?
Okay, so Sarah, your turn. Ask my just three WH question about her tablet. For example, when do you use your tablet, Mai?
I miss sentence.
Yes, Mai, when do you use your tablet?
My tablet is on the table.
Wait a minute, when? When do you use it? When?
When?
What is this one? Okay, if I ask you when, you are going to tell me the time. For example, I will ask you, when is your birthday? Then you'll say, my birthday is on June 20. When did you go
Birthday.
to school? I go to school at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay, so now,
What?
wait a minute. I'm sorry, my. When do you use your tablet?
Uh, use tablet at 9:30.
Very good. Now your turn, Sarah. Ask three questions that starts with WH or H to Mai about her tablet.
When did you get your iPad? I play iPad at 9:30. When I played iPad. When did you get your iPad? I got iPad on Tuesday and Thursday. Nãy lần lấy từ khi nào á? Lấy cái iPad đây về từ khi nào? Đó. Là nói cái gì vậy? Tuesday and Thursday.
Okay, so here, Mai. Listen, Mai. Sarah's asking you, when did you receive your iPad? So to answer the question, you can say, I got my iPad last year on my birthday. I got my iPad when I turned 4 years old. Like that.
I got my iPad last year.
Is that true?
Yes.
Are you sure? Okay, now continue, Sarah.
Which color is your iPad has? Does your iPad has? One more time. Which color does your iPad have? My iPad is pink.
Okay, last question, Sarah. By the way,
Teacher,
Sarah.
can I
Yes,
talk one more time?
sure.
What is the color of your iPad?
Better.
My iPad is pink.
Very good.
Anh đói mẹ có uống
Okay,
nước nhiều
last
rồi.
question, Sarah.
Lỏng lẻo. When did you often play game with your friends? When? Khi
Say
nào
that
bạn
again.
chơi game với
Say
bạn của
that
bạn?
again. Oh, it's okay. Say it in English. When? What's your question? When?
When did you often play game with your friends? Do you often play game with your friends? I don't play game.
All right. Thank you for asking, Sarah. Oh, thank you for asking some questions, Sarah. For the last question, you said, when did you often play with your friends? So we can just say, when do you? Because playing with our friends happen on a daily basis, or it just happen regularly. It's not always. So just like your question, it happened often. So you could just say, when do you often play with your friends? So this will be in present simple tense. All right, Sarah? Okay. So the lesson for tonight is to think before you ask the question. And my tip for you in asking and answering question is, you have to pay attention to the one asking question. Because if that person asks you in present simple tense, you have to answer in present simple tense. If that person asks you in past continuous tense, then you will also answer based on her question. Don't worry about that because we are going to review about grammar. All right. So thank you so much for joining our class tonight, Sarah and Mai. Next time, we are going to learn with a new material because we're finally done with Unit 20 Flyers material. Goodbye. Have a good night and see you next time.
Goodbye.